referring to a collection of related diseases. In all types of cancer, some of the body's cells begin to divide without stopping and spread into surrounding tissues. Do you know 10 million people around the world die each year from cancer? According to a recent report by the National Cancer Registry Program of India, the projected number of patients with cancer in India is 13,92,179 for the year 2020. And the common five leading sites are breast, lung, mouth, cervix uteri, and tongue. At MediCircle, we are conducting an exclusive interview series on the occasion of World Cancer Day, showcasing eminent oncologists over a discussion to bring awareness about cancer, its treatments, and myths related to it. Hello and welcome to MediCircle. I am Smita Sahai Kumar, and today our guest for the World Cancer Day series is Dr. Piyush Gupta. Dr. Piyush Gupta is the Secretary and Principal Executive Officer of the Cancer Aid Society, which is a 3-decade-old NGO engaged in the fight against cancer and other non-communicable diseases, which are killing 70% of the people globally. He's a social worker and effective advocate on tobacco control, palliative care, prevention and control of cancer and non-communicable diseases. He is also the recipient of Jewel of India Award, and he's an executive board member of various international and national organizations. Dr. Piyush also serves as a secretary for the National Association of Palliative Care for Ayush and Integrative Medicine. Hello, Dr. Piyush Gupta. Welcome to MediCircle.
Hi, nice talking to you, and maybe we'll be able to address a lot of questions in this session.
Sure. So to begin with, Dr. Gupta, what are the most common misconceptions or myths related to cancer?
Actually, when we are talking specifically in context to India, so first of all, most people say that I am smoking, I am drinking since last so many years, so I am not going to get cancer since I have not got it till date.
Yes.
Now it is just like a slow poison. You are taking this poison every day and you are saying, I am not going to die. But once the limit of the poison exceeds the limit which body tolerates, so you are going to die. And that is what is happening, because there have been studies where once you start using tobacco today, so you are going to get cancer maybe after 20 years. So there is a time lapse of 20 years for initiation of cancer. And most of these users are within 10, 15 years. So by 20th year, they are, if they start it early, they are in the middle ages, their children might be very small, and that is the time when they suffer from the cancer and they die a miserable death. And the entire family comes on the path of financial disaster. So at the cost of one person, they are losing, the entire family is devastated. So it is high time that we educate our younger generation that no, you are not safe. If you are smoking, you are going to get cancer in the times to come. And maybe these youth are, again, they are attracted towards glorification. For example, going to the hookah bars. I've seen people smoking openly in maybe functions. You get hookahs, and even females and children, they smoke openly. So that is something. Why do you want a public display of affection towards your death?
Sure.
When we talk about death, it is a taboo, but people are still trying to display it. So we have to check it out and certainly end these myths.
Surely. Dr. Gupta, so does cancer has any symptoms? Because in a lot of cases, the diseases can be identified by the symptoms, and the patients get, notice that yes, he's having some symptoms. So is in this case, is it asymptomatic, or does the patient show some symptoms of cancer?
Nice. I think it is a very important question. Actually, cancer, when it initiates, most of the time there are symptoms which are not very common and which cannot be observed very easily. But as it goes, the symptoms start developing. And that is what we disseminate information among people. Let's say if you talk about symptoms, so maybe I can give a short overview how things happen. What are the symptoms like? So if you want, I can cover it up.
Sure, sure, please.
So let's say when we are talking about cancer of the brain or any brain tumor, so there may be maybe blurring of eyesight, there may be persistent headache, there may be transitory blindness. There can be even paralysis or dysfunctioning, partial paralysis or dysfunctioning of some part of the body. So that could be in case of cancer of the brain. In case of cancer of the eyes may become blood red, protruding, bulging out. So normally in kids, you will find it. Retinoblastoma is very common. So in case of cancer of the mouth, the opening of the mouth may decrease. Normally we can insert 3 fingers in our mouth.
Yes.
But in case of people who are using tobacco and other aspects, similar products, so the opening decreases. There may be ulcers within the mouth. There may be white or red patches within the oral cavity. So if it is there, it is a warning sign. Some people find difficulty in swallowing liquid or solid items. So again, it is a triggering factor, because normally if we are taking very hot or very cold items, so it may be damaging our esophagus. And then it could result into cancer of the esophagus. So hoarse voice, which is not getting cured within 15 days, again, it could be a sign of cancer of the larynx. In case if there is unexplained cough and presence of blood in sputum, again, it could be sign of cancer of the lungs. Now, nausea and vomiting, which is very regular, or pain in the abdomen, again, it could be because of the cancer of the stomach, maybe cancer of the liver or gallbladder. And if the bowel is uncontrolled, so bouts of constipation and loose motion, again, it is a signal that there may be cancer of the intestine. So in short, these are some of the warning signs of cancer.
Dr.
So any wound or sore which is...
Yes, please.
Yeah. Any wound which is not healing, maybe within a week or 2, again, it could turn out to be cancer. Any ulcer, any wart or mole, if it is changing its shape, size, or color, or going very fast. So again, it could be a cancer. It could turn out to be cancer, because these are benign tumors and they can turn into malignant. And some people go and get their warts cut or burnt.
Yes.
So again, that is a wrong practice, because then you are playing with it and it could turn out to be cancer very easily.
Oh. That's really great information, because a lot of times people don't know what kind of symptoms will cancer show. So Dr. Gupta, with the passing years, there has been an increase in the number of cancer cases. According to a study in India, with a population of 1.35 billion, witnessed as many as 1.16 million new cancer cases and 7,84,800 cancer deaths in 2018. So what are the reasons and how this can be controlled, because it is like growing at a very fast pace?
Yeah. Actually, certainly one of the reasons which is the increasing number of cancers in case of male, we are talking about tobacco consumption is the primary culprit, causing to increased incidence of oral cancer as well as cancer of the lungs. In case of females, we find that it is poor genital hygiene which is responsible for cancer of the cervix. And again, because people are now going for late marriages and whatnot, so it may be they are not wanting issues too early. So that is giving rise to the incidence of breast cancer also. So wherever and whenever we are trying to disturb the nature,
yes,
so it fights back.
Definitely. So thank you so much, Dr. Piyush, for sharing this vital information about this disease. I think as World Cancer Day aims to save millions of preventable deaths each year by raising awareness, we at MediCircle, as a dedicated healthcare media portal, also hope that through these initiatives and by speaking to eminent oncologists and social workers who are doing such great job for the society, we could definitely are able to educate and aware people about this deadly disease and save millions of lives, really. So thank you once again, Dr. Piyush, for giving us time and sharing your views with us.
My best wishes to your program, and may people get enlightened and prevent themselves from cancer.
Sure. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.